WW Malaysia. Mark this word. Okay guys, I'm not saying this to make him feel proud of what actually he is. Okay, you will know that wherever he goes, the entire team stick with him. Not people finding excuse to run away. People stick with him, they want to learn more from him. Okay guys, I do not want to take much of time, and please rise and help me to welcome Steven Watterson.
Okay, first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you because I still remember 2 years back we plugged into this team. Okay, we are from JB, we don't have, we just do whatever we like to do. We don't have any system. After that, we plugged into the team. So I want to thank Arul Ninet to invite us, to the family. I still remember I asked him to sir, please help me to join me and my team to the third team in the Facebook. I learned from the Facebook how to edify people. I learned from Agiti, NTT, everyone. When we post in the Facebook, actually we start the Facebook one, but we post so proud of you, awesome, thank you. That's all. When I come to the team Facebook, I can see very long. People edify very long. Oh my God. Very easy, just copy. That's how I learned. I want to thank Arul Ninet for the awesome, for the everything. Amway give you money. Money won't give you happiness, but BW system give you happiness. That's why I'm here today. Not only me, my entire family, the entire siblings. My father have 5 children. Everyone is in the business. I still figuring out how come he have the all excitement from. He saw the business in US. He does not know whether he can work in Singapore or not, but he have all the belief. Maybe he already clear the mind 7 years before, I think. So that's how he can build the business. Today I can see everyone, everyone stick to them, to stick with him. I want to duplicate him. How come people can stick to him? When I go 9%er, I think few months back, we helped one couple go 6%er, then the couple left me actually. 1000 PB left. Okay, so from there I learned why people left me. Then I changed. I communicate more to Andy and Tana, then I communicate more with Arul Ninet, become more closer, then I understand. B must go to the flower, not flower go to the B. So the important part is the flower. So I'm the first one, must be the responsible. So make sure the B must come to you. The people will come. Don't worry about the people. Don't worry about the B. The people will come. So make sure we change. Actually, I'm the first stupid one. I inform Andy and Tara, sir, I am the most stupid one. Please help me. I still remember in the Singapore Muthu's curry house, sir, I am the most stupid one. Please help me. If I do any mistake, actually I don't have any knowledge to identify my mistake. Please help me. Never mind. Don't worry if I get hurt. No problem. I want to succeed. That's all I do. So please help me. Before I leave, I want to thank each and every one of you. Jack and Auntie, Barbara, Rajan, Mani, Satyanana, Jack, Shanti, Joshua. Directly or indirectly, you are inspiring us. Senthil, Hu and Jasmine, you are awesome couple. All your team, you are with the best people. Tani and Chantru and Rajesh and Gopi. Robert, you are the best. Always supporting us in JB. Jason, Balanana, Chandru's uncle. Sorry sir, I don't know your name. NTT, Arjun. Arjun is very young guy, to run this floor manager. I'm a floor manager in JB Open. It's not very easy job. Okay, give him big round of applause. Edward, he already eager. He already saw plan in JB 2 times. Okay, Lion, super couple. They're rocking JB Open every week. They put people. very soon they're going to be recognized as a eagle. Roy and Susie, yeah, you're very big inspiration to our team. Always we are your excitement. Sky, you're already in the sky. Okay. Shiru and Eswan, okay, they share about this sense of urgency. There's a demo for sense of urgency. Next time when I show plan, I'll let you all know what the sense of urgency. Thanks for that word. Okay, Muzakir, sorry I forget your name. You also, and Ash, best tired. Okay. If I can do, confirm you all can do. I'm here to tell you that if a person like me can do, means you all can do. Everyone can qualify. Agiti, Suanti, see the person behind. Yani and Akila. Always inspiring us, and like my big brother. I don't have any elder brother, so they are my big elder brother. Okay, TK. I want to thank Anwar and Saida Anwar. Okay, I don't know how come they have the big heart to help the entire team to take care of the ticket. It's not how difficult to handle the money. If our money is okay, if people money is very difficult, right? Give them big round of applause. I want to tell you one story before I go. Okay, there is a home builder. He work for a boss. His work is build house for people. So he built for a very, very long time. Can you hear me? Yes. Very good. Okay, he built the house for a very long time. I don't know whether HDB, I think bungalow house. Okay, not HDB. Very, very long time he built. Then he want to resign. He want to go back to hometown and spend time with the family. Okay, before he left, the boss said, okay, why not you build for last one, only one, last one. He said, okay lah. Then he also built the house, but not 100%. He never built the house 100%. He just, we call it chinchai. Okay, he just built like not fully 100. You want to left, right? So just make it fast. Then he finish. Then ask the boss to check. The boss checked everything. Then you know what happened? The boss hand over the key to the person who built the house. Before this house, other house he built 100% the full part. But this house he do not know it's going to be his own. So the boss give the key to the person who built this house. So what I tell, the moral of the story is, whatever you want to do, please do it 100% with the full of heart. No hard work, You must have a heart to work. You must have this heart.
Wow!
You can be a one-to-one plan, you can be a home plan, it can be a open meeting, whatever meeting it is. Give you 100%, be ready, prepare with a sense of urgency, just practice. I'm still practicing, I still practice to talk in English. So I'm still practicing. So thank you for giving me a wonderful place to grow. Enough time and space to grow. Because I grow today, my entire family, team I call as a family, growing very big time. I can see each and every one of them grow like it's a blessing, Eagle, because of you, 10 people decided to not to join the business, to build the business. It's such a very good blessing. Everyone must go Eagle. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. Everyone can go Eagle. You guys can go Eagle?
Yes!
Why so silent?
Yes!
Okay. Go and tell your upline that you are the next Eagle. Ken? Thank you. Back to the host.
Wait, one more. All open your eyes, huh? Okay. Next. Up lines. Cross lines.
Up, down, left.
எடுத்து போடுங்க சம்மர் கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் இன் BW சென்டர்.
Video.
Awesome, sir.
Do you want me to take a photo of you?
No, just take
Go. Okay, next. All touch the eagle, huh? This is Langkawi eagle.
Yes.
She don't anybody to sit on the left, so she can be said. The cushion in this one is so You're gonna vomit again. What? Sir, check with your upline. Check with your wife. Look at Susie's face. You're asking Steven, what's your fountain right? Ask Susie.
Andy, permission to kiss, right?
You're okay, right? Please check with Roy. Susie.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do it. You must go on the right back. Come on, on the right. You'll be like, you told me so when you go, you should do that. Everybody remember, you should
Study.
Okay.
All right, my guy.
Okay, let me see. Just shout. Okay. Only eagle sit here. Don't shout. Because she's so thin. What she said? What I'm saying is that same thing she was there. Because just now you do the duplication is very strong. I figured something out. I figured something out. Don't do it now. You don't know? Somebody, she said we went over and she asked.
That's right. Quickly after this 10 minutes, that's it.
Young guys are all getting all the strong, fit Don't worry, you know if anything happens. She'll make some noise or something. The chair will fall down. Clear your mind. No thinking, just thinking. Just no thinking, just sitting. What a slogan, what a slogan. You don't go to the down shop, you go to your own shop. What, Edward? You used to lie to me in the office. Hey. You don't go to our down shop, you go to our own shop. That makes no sense. one part the parent he was like, like market and then he going to sell. What company is it? Wow.